Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 16-inch round canvas and I got some new colors from Soho, or at least new to me, and those are the ones I'm going to be working with today. The first one is emerald green, the second one is mineral blue, and then I've got a really pretty gold. This one here is cadmium red light hue. And then I've also got, rose madder. And then the last one I'm going to use is my white pearl from Folk Art that is in my bottle. And I'm going to be using my candy funnel today. I used it once before and I like the way the painting looked, so I thought I would try it again with these new colors. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my gloves on and then I will get started. Okay guys, so I got my gloves on and I've got my funnel and I'm gonna go ahead and get started pouring my paints in the funnel. So I think I'm gonna start with the rose madder first, and all these colors are mixed with Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water, and I am not adding any silicone to these paints. All right. This gold is really pretty. I like a nice bright gold. All right. And I figured I had this round canvas for quite a while, so I thought, what the heck, might as well try it. I'm gonna end up starting in the middle and doing a spiral, so I thought that would be good. And I'm going to put a little bit more gold on the top. This is actually kind of heavy. There's a lot of paint in here. Alright, so I'm going to move these really quick. And hopefully I have enough. So we'll see. You can see there? Alright, I'm going to switch hands here. Ay. Okay, so I'm going to try to lift it really slow. Alright, here goes. Okay, well, you can see I lost a lot of the blue and the green, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take my white pearl and I'm going to fill in these spots here. I kind of wanted to go around like this, so I'm just going to do that. I'm going to go through the middle there, all along here. Alright, so I'm going to start moving it. I don't know if this is going to even work out, but we'll see. I lost quite a bit of the colors. I'm just going to go in a circle. Okay guys, so it's been over an hour. I honestly was not really sure how I felt about it, because some of the areas are kind of different. Like I've got some green coming up through that rose color, and like look at the orange and the gold, and like that area right there. It's really cool. But then I noticed that in the white pearl areas along the edges, the colors are trying to come through. So that is really cool. Like look at that. I love that. All right, so I think it's growing on me actually. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry, and I will see how I feel then. All right, stay tuned. Okay guys, so here's the painting all dry. Before I take you in for a close-up, I just have to say that I love the contrast of this painting, because there's the real soft areas with the pearl white, and then the more dramatic areas with the darker colors. So I am really loving this painting. It's actually grown on me quite a bit. So I'll take you in there for a closer look. You can see all the cool detail and the colors. It's just really beautiful. So I love this area right here. These colors are amazing. And then the other colors trying to come up through the pearl white. It's just so soft. Love it. All right, so super happy with this painting. All right guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and of course, have a great day.